Hello viewers, hope you are all doing well, and today I am going to share one new update with you. And before starting the video, I am humble request to all of you to subscribe my channel Crypto World. That's why you can receive the notification timely. And now we will go back to the website, and you can see today I am going to share Revolution Game token updates with you. It's related to Metaverse NFT gaming project, and nowadays its pre-sale is going on, and pre-sale first round of the pre-sale is ending in after 1 day, and there are a lot of investors who are investing in this project. So that's why I am deciding to share this project with you. You can see first round pre-sale price 1 MB is 50,000 Revolution Game token, and in second round of pre-sale in 1 BNB they provide you 45,000, and 5,000 are less from the first round of pre-sale. And they are claiming that they going to do EO on the world top exchanges. If they are really list this token on any website, any big website like Binance, KuCoin, you can see the lot of increment in the price of Revolution Game token. So you can see there is a giveaway is going on also in Revolution Game, and only 7 days are left. As they said, if you join this pre-sale, then you can take double profit. You can take participate in pre-sale, and you can also take the chance to win the 2 million trial token. Its cost is $50,000. It's a big giveaway, I think. So you can see it's a metaverse mean virtuality to real. Previously we will talk to each other, we can just see, but nowadays they are claiming in metaverse we can see each other, we can feel each other, we can feel like we are sitting at one place. And in the gaming system they also can feel that they are sitting in a one place and they are playing game together. So this is a metaverse project, and metaverse is a very unique and very highly technology which is launched by the Facebook owner Mark Berg. And you can see the technomics also. The supply is very limited. In Dev Pilot they can put 30%, and marketing they give 17%. This project has a huge marketing plan. I think you can see a lot of videos on YouTube on daily basis. You can see they reserve 60% for trading exchange. This is the best thing, I think. And you can see this is the contract address of this token. So if you are, and you can check the roadmap also. All these things certic is done, and coin market cap and coin Zico listing will be done in future. So if you want to pre-sale, you can join this. And what you can do to join this pre-sale, I will tell you. If you want to enter in this giveaway, you have to do 5 entries. First of all, you have to enter your Binance Smart Chain address and then go and buy. The minimum buy is 0.1 and maximum is I think 5 BNB. And you can follow the official account of this token, and you have to retweet any post of this Revolution Game project, and you can join the Telegram. So you can see the points are mentioned in front of entries. You can see if you buy this token from this pre-sale, you can get 60 points, and for follow Twitter 5 points, retweet post 10 points, and join Telegram 10 points, and refer friends 15 points. So you can see the total entries here. And 2 days are left. It's really a very good opportunity to get profit for future. If you want to invest in this token, you can do everything. You can take all decision by yourself, because we can acknowledge you. This is a project, that are the fundamentals, that are the feature. These updates are going on. This last decision is your. Do investment at your own risk, because crypto is not a risk free world. So we will see you in next video. Goodbye.